Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and manage folders with command prompt in Windows 11. Yes, you heard right. You can create folders using command prompt. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type command prompt. As you can see on the top of my screen here, command prompt. You have to select run as an administrator to give it power. Now click on yes, select yes. Now, how to use command on in command prompt. Now, you have to put the code which I'm writing on my screen, mkdir, and it will followed by the name of the folder you want to create. For example, I want to create my folder as name is my folder, and you can press the enter key. As you can see on the screen, once you hit the enter, the new folder will be created in your current directory. Now my folder is now created, and you can check the folder by typing dir. Type dir and press the enter. This will show you a list of all files and folders in the current directory, including the new created folder with the format. And for example, I want to navigate it to the new folder. Type cd and type the folder name and press the enter. Now it's searching. To move into a folder, use the cd command. You have to type cd and my folder and press enter. Now uh, you are inside the my folder directory, and you can also create the subfolder by typing mkdir, type subfolder. It will create a folder in your folder, and you have to press the enter. It will create a subfolder. Now, if you want to delete from the command prompt, you can type rmdir old folder. It will delete your new created folder. And that's it, guys. I hope you like my video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips. I will meet you in the new video. Thanks for watching.